You see this online business stuff. Amazon KDP is a good mine. Amazon KDP is a good mine. Imagine making all of this in just 14 days. Imagine making all of this in 14 days. Yesterday alone, I was able to make 174,000 naira. Sorry, $174,000, and in just 14 days, I've been able to make $996. Before the end of today, by the grace of God, this is going to be $1,000. In 15 days, I'm making more than $1,000. Yeah. So that is how powerful the KDP business is. And as a matter of fact, it's just one book that is giving all this kind of results. But I don't want to show you the book now. Yeah, so stay tuned because a coaching program that I'm bringing to you is going to be mind blowing. Yeah, it's that powerful.